How to find watch later playlist on YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily find your watch later playlist on YouTube. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and hit the subscribe button as well. The first thing you need to do is open up your YouTube and make sure that you're logged into your account. So usually what you would need to do is tap on the U icon on the bottom right corner, and then from here you can just view your channel. So usually what happens is if you have created any playlist, it will show up on your channel. But after the update, YouTube has changed this, so you can just go to your home page, and then from here you just tap on the U tab at the bottom right corner, and here you will see all of your playlists like your liked videos, and here you will see the watch later playlist, which is also a private playlist. Only you can access this playlist. Now if you want to add any video to watch later, you can just find the video that you want to add, tap on the three dots, and then tap on save to watch later. And once you have done that, you can find it right here. So that's how you access your watch later playlist. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you on the next one.